Hello, welcome to our YouTube HBK channel. Please stay tuned and get the latest news and updates around the world. Justified hatred and prejudice divide in Manipur. Meiteis transport officials attempt to destroy Kukis smart cards. Since the 3rd of May, Manipur has witnessed unofficial separation and alienation of the Kukis by the Meiteis, which has permeated various government departments and offices. This division is symptomatic of a larger issue of hatred and prejudice that threatens unity and freedom from oppression, the birthright of all individuals. In the administration, government employees wield authority over the fate of individuals. Unfortunately, many have succumbed to the communal forces, prioritizing the interests of their community over neutrality and professionalism. The chief minister, as the figurehead, sets a tone where communal interests overshadow public welfare. The recent blockade of roads to Kuki areas highlights the disregard for basic necessities and the intention to drive Kukis away from their ancestral lands. Instances of injustice, such as the deliberate failure of Kuki students and the exoneration of Meiteis police personnel despite clear evidence of wrongdoing, underscore systemic biases. In a shocking display of discrimination, a woman staff from the transport office in Impol was caught destroying Kuki smart cards and hurling derogatory insults. Despite legal protections and constitutional provisions, accountability remains elusive for such egregious acts. Post-independence, Kukis have actively participated in India's democratic processes and have been legally recognized as citizens. The question of their categorization as illegal immigrants in Manipur raises serious concerns about citizenship rights and governmental accountability. It is imperative for the central government to intervene and address the persecution of Kukis in Manipur. Upholding the principles of justice and equality, the government must ensure that Kukis are not subjected to further injustice and oppression by allowing Meiteis to dictate over them. In conclusion, unity in Manipur can only be achieved by confronting and dismantling the forces of hatred and prejudice that divide communities. The rights and dignity of all individuals, regardless of ethnicity, must be protected under the rule of law.
Economic blockade adu aikoi ngasidagi haurere hauriba economic blockade sida kautagi seso manga amadi atai atopa seso taramanga punna punsilaga seso kun.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also do share your feedback in comment section below.